Hi, Emmanuel here. Welcome again to another class. So now we have this simple integral to solve. Now you can see that this is a linear function, but raised to the power 3. Now, if you go the traditional way, you can decide to expand this to the power of 3, and then integrate term by term, and then after everything you simplify. But that's going to be a cumbersome process to take. So why don't we find a way to make things easier for ourselves? We impute a variable as the value of this, integrate, and after everything we'll now come back to this. So let's see what we can do. So we can say let a be equal to 6x minus 4. Now if a is equal to 6x minus 4, this converts this integral simply becomes integral a raised to the power 3 dx. Now we all know that this is an impossible integral to solve, because you cannot be integrating a with respect to dx. So what do? Let's find the derivative of this, and then from there we go. So the derivative of a with respect to dx will be equal to differentiating this. By differentiating term by term, differentiating this will have 6. Of course, this one will give us 0. So this is the derivative of this. Now with this, we can decide to since we are trying to get this, so we can say this is the same thing as the x will be the same thing as 1 over 6 dA. That's the same thing now. Cross multiplication will have this. So if we do that, so we can put this here as the value of dx. So this integral now becomes integral a raised to the power 3 1 over 6 dA, and this is the same thing as 1 over 6 integral a raised to the power 3 dA. Now integrating this, will have 1 over 6 a raised to the power 4 over 4 plus c. We have our answer. Now this a is equal to 6 raised to the power, there's 6x minus 4. So we'll have 1 over 6 by 6x minus 4 raised to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. So finally, let's move this over to here. Finally, we have 6x minus 4 raised to the power 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus c. So this is the integral of this. Very simple. Keep solving problems. Don't learn from them. Until next time. Bye bye.